Recognition. You want people to see you? Yeah, you. Undiziwa area. Yaban.
Come here.
Yaban.
Come.
In fact, undiziwa area.
Don't you know who I am?
Ndikuziwe. Ndokurova chidzoro.
Beat you up.
Ngauziye nini?
How can you not know me?
Recognition, hunger for recognition. Kana maida kuzivikanwa mune zvamungadai makaita.
If you wanted to be known, you
Handizvozvo?
have done something.
Kwete kuti vhundutsirira vana.
It's only trying to scare out children.
Yazotivhundutsirira vana.
Coming here to scare out
Dai
children.
makavaka supermarket vana vangadai vachikuziya.
Build a supermarket, these kids would know you.
Ndo zvinoitwa nemunhu anoda.
That's what you do when you want to be recognized.
Mandiziva.
You don't know me.
Ipo pano mauya nei.
How did you come here?
Imunozviziva vana ukavatengera tunonaka nechavakukanganwa.
You know very well that if you buy something nice for kids, they won't forget you.
Matigirei.
What did you bring for us?
It's a hunger for recognition. And there are people like that